Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl, Glenda Yvonne. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment. This channel, you're going to find videos about lifestyle, all things travel, because that's what I love to do, and vlogging. So I hope you guys enjoy this short little ride through the French Quarter in New Orleans. Went there a couple weeks ago. We'll be bringing you more videos of New Orleans, so stay tuned.
A lot of stubbornness. They always think they know better than us a lot of the time. So Jackson Square is our park on the right. In the heart of New Orleans, we were settled along the Mississippi River. Took the raft there on the left. In 1718, there was a land grant given to our French governor, Jean-Baptiste Lemoyne, Sir de Bienville. He settled the high part of the land grant given to him. It became Jackson Square. They called it the Place d'Armes for the French, the Place d'Armas for the Spanish. It was the military parade grounds and execution grounds for the city.
Thank you.